Welcome back to EV Journey. I'm LG, back with another Model Y Juniper video. This time I got my license plates in and look at that beautiful front end. Nobody wants to put adhesive on there like the stupid thing that Tesla gives you. So I went with the snap plate. This is from a company out of California called EveryAmp, and they 3D print these things. It's a no-drill solution for putting a license plate on the front of your Juniper, and it's also a quick release, so I can pop it off for pictures or social media. Let me show you how you put this thing together, and then we'll get it on the Model Y. So here's the box that it comes in, and shout out to EveryAmp because they did a pretty good job on the design of this boxing. You know, got your QR code for your instructions here. Email address if you need additional help. Little pull tab here. Very innovative packaging. Got our accessories here.
Okay, who brought the dog?
And then here's the unit itself. You got the two side brackets, which will go something like this. And then we have the frame itself right here, which, yeah, looks pretty good. Solid material. You know, it's very, very fine. You got the snap plate logo right there. It's very, very finely printed, 3D printed material. Oh, a nice little pouch they give you. And we've got our name placard and some tools here. All right, let's put this thing together. Here is the frame. And here is our license plate already inside the silicone license plate holder. So the top of it is the logo here, snap plate. And we'll go ahead and put the frame down. They include silver or black screws here. So we're gonna go with the black screws. They are security screws. And we'll just go ahead and attach this plate. You don't have to go too tight here, just hand tight. And repeat for all four. And there we have it. We are attached. All right, so now we're going to attach the mounting arms to the plate holder, and you'll do that with these smaller black screws. These are also security screws. And if you want to know which side goes where, there's a little number 2 right here, and there's a little number 2 right here. There's a number 1 here, and a corresponding number 1 right here. Voila, and there you have it. This is how it snaps on. It's gonna snap onto your grill with these little holders right here, which you can lock into place. All right, let's go get this bad boy installed. All right, now that we have it assembled, let's go ahead and test fit it. It should snap right on. You don't have to open or close anything. It should actually just go right on. And yeah. Pretty solid. And to lock it down, you just tighten up the little security screws on both sides of it. And there you have it, folks, the snap plate from EveryAmp installed on my Tesla Model Y Juniper. And it's just as easy to snap it on as it is to snap it off. If you're interested in purchasing one of these snap plates, I reached out to Every Amp to get you a special discount for all viewers of EV Journey. That discount code is LG. Enter the code LG at checkout and you'll save yourself 5% off your order. Once again, thanks for watching. I'm LG and this is EV Journey.